Today, let us learn about how to represent the fractions on number line. Now, for example, a leaf, it occupies 1 by 4 of a centimeter. Now, let us start the number line. Start with 0. Now, the first leaf occupies how much space? It is 1 by 4. If I keep a second leaf, it occupies 1 by 4. Both the leaves are of same size. Now, these two leaves together occupied how much space? Let us add 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now, if I add 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Now, see in denominator, if you add 4 plus 4, it will become 8. But you cannot add this because each leaf is occupying 1 by 4th of a centimeter. So the denominator should not be added. If you add it, it will become the leaf occupies 1 by 8 of a centimeter. So don't add it, keep it as it is, 2 by 4. If you simplify this, that means divide both by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So here the second part is 2 by 4, or you can write it is equal to half. So now 2 leaves has occupied half of a centimeter. Now if I keep another leaf, that occupies how much space? Again 1 by 4. And totally 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3, and you should not add the denominators. If you add the denominators, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 will become the part, 12 centimeters, 12 will become the part of 1 centimeter. Now you are taking only 4 parts. So don't add denominator, keep it as it is. So the third one, you can represent it as 3 by 4. First one you represent 1 by 4. Second one 1 by 2. Third one 1 by 4. Now you take another leaf. It occupies again 1 by 4th of a centimeter. Now, the 4 leaves together occupy 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. That is 4 denominator, write as it is. Now 4 divided by 4 equals 1 centimeter. So the fourth one, you can represent it as 1. So now the number line has started. It started from 0. How many leaves make 1 centimeter? 4 leaves. 4 leaves can make 1 centimeter. Now I'll ask you a question. 8 leaves can make how many centimeters? 2 centimeter. Very good. Like that, 12 leaves can make how many centimeters? 3 centimeter. Suppose they ask a large number, then we cannot represent it on number line. Then how to solve it? Now, how many leaves make 1 centimeter? 4 leaves make 1 centimeter. If I ask 32 leaves make how many centimeters? Then you cannot write 32 leaves on the number line. Now you can solve it like this. 32 leaves. Each leaf occupies how much? 1/4 of a centimeter. Now from 4 you divide 32. 4 8s are 32. 8 into 1 equals 8. So 32 leaves occupy how many centimeters? 8 centimeters. Like this, if large numbers are given, you can solve them using this method. If you can represent you have to represent a number line, then up to 3-4 centimeters you can represent. Now, how many 1/4 make 1 centimeter? See, this 1/4, this is second 1/4, this is the third 1/4, and this is the fourth 1/4. So how many 1/4s? 4 1/4s. 4 into 1/4. 4 into 1/4 gives you 1 centimeter. If I ask you a question, an ant is half centimeter larger. How many ants make 1 centimeter? Now see, one ant take half centimeter. Then second ant take half centimeter. So how many ant you got? 2 ant. So 2 ants of each half centimeter will make 1 centimeter. Now let us see fractions which are greater than 1. Now greater than 1 means on the number line I'll take after 1 another leaf. This occupies how much space? 1/4. Now let us add all the numerators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally how much? 5/4. This fraction can also be written as after 1 you have taken 1 leaf, that is 1/4. So these two are equal. Now how to get this mixed fraction? Here you have a number and also a fraction. Now this is numerator, this is denominator. Now divide 5/4. 4 ones are 4, then the remainder is 1 minus. Now the remainder is 1, and how much part it occupies? 1/4. So this is equal to 1/4. So in this way you can represent a fraction greater than 1, greater than 2 like this, and then you convert them into mixed